What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital asset, thus assigned to be used as means of exchange with peer-to-peer network. It was originally introduced in the late 2008 by a person or group of persons using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to ever be created, and it makes use of cryptographic techniques to verify and secure transactions and regulate the issuance of additional coins. Bitcoin transactions are verified by a decentralized network of nodes, and if and only if confirmed to be valid, they are recorded into a public distributed ledger called blockchain. The Bitcoin network is operated by an underlying set of rules known as Bitcoin Protocol. This protocol defines, amongst other things, issuance of new coins. The maximum supply of Bitcoin is 21 million units, and according to estimate, the last Bitcoin will be mined in 2114 years to come. The Bitcoin network relies on a process known as mining, which can be broken into 5 steps. New transactions are broadcasted to the distributed network of nodes. The minimum nodes gather new transactions into candidates block. Each miner works on finding a valid solution to his own block in order to produce the block hash. The block hash proves that the miner did the required work, hence proof of work. The first mining node to find the valid solution broadcasts his block to the other nodes on the network. If the node reaches consensus and the block is confirmed that it is valid, it is added to the blockchain. The process starts over as mining node begins to work the next block. Every new block uses the block hash of the previously valid block. Blocks are linked and secured by cryptographic proofs, and thus create a chain of blockchain. And this brings us to the end of this very video. In this video, we have told you what Bitcoin is all about, who created the Bitcoin, and when do we expect the mining, according to estimate that the mining of Bitcoin is going to come to an end. And lots more have been discussed in this video. So stay put, for we are going to bring you more about the features of Bitcoin in our next video. If you're watching this for the first time, don't forget to press like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as we keep you updated on what you need to know when it comes to anything about blockchain, both that has to do with the NIDA and the rest. Thank you.